Hello everyone, a very pleasant good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my channel. This is Raju from IIT Madras, an MS scholar studying in the Department of Electrical Engineering. So today I am going to tell you about the great power of artificial intelligence, that is AI. In today's era, the scope of artificial intelligence is growing rapidly and no doubt it is progressing very fast. Yesterday in one seminar held by the Notion, I got to see some cool features of AI which is really quite great and I am really impressed by it. First of all, this is not a sponsored video. I am just telling about my experience. I hope you will able to gain some knowledge from it and you will enjoy this video. So can you believe that AI can write your whole thesis paper? You just need to give the title of the thesis paper and AI can write it, and even you can publish and monetize it. Yeah, this is possible in today's era. Even AI can write a beautiful poem for relatives. You can present this poem, and even if you do not like, you can regenerate the poem, and this is quite great and I am really impressed by it. In the seminar, we generated a poem for Elon Musk and it is quite funny and really interesting. Apart from that, you can summarize your whole, if you have a student and you have a long notes of a very long text, you can summarize this text with this feature, and this is also quite great. Apart from that, you can brainstorm. If you are marketing in domain, if you are in the marketing domain, you understand the importance of the brainstorming, and with this cool feature of the Notion AI, you can brainstorm your idea. We brainstorm many cool things, and in the end of this video I will attach some clips of this video, that experience, and I hope you will enjoy it. Apart from that, you can list out the pros and cons of anything. We generated the pros and cons of IIT Madras, and this is quite great, and the pros and cons are really correct, and this Notion AI is currently in the alpha phase and it is not available to all users, and it is developing currently now, and it is basically learning from its mistake. It is basically an ML algorithm basically, and by taking the inputs from the alpha user, it is basically learning and its performance is improving day by day. So this Notion AI is quite great and I am really impressed by it. Apart from that, the Notion, which is basically a note taking app, but apart from note taking, you have a very cool feature in this also. You can create your own live resume you can create your own web page, your slam book, and this is also quite great. Even I do not know about this Notion AI and Notion before this seminar. After attending this seminar, I got to know about it, and I am basically a new user, and I am trying out the different features of the Notion, and I am finding it quite interesting. And let me tell you that if you are from educational institute and you have educational email ID, you can upgrade your plan to educational pro plan, and you will get some premium access. And even if you do not have any educational email ID, then in the basic free plan you will get many cool features, and I will suggest you to please try it out, because it is quite useful for student life. And let me tell you, in the IIT Madras also, many fest including Sarang is organized using this Notion website. So it is quite great. And at the last, I want to thank Venky KRISHNA ma'am, so who is the Indian brand ambassador of the Notion AI. Through her, we got to know some cool features of the Notion AI, and our experience is quite great. And even we got some Notion merchandise, which is also quite interesting. So thank you, and I will attach the video clips on this seminar. I hope you will enjoy it, and at the end, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. You will get a lot of interesting content like this in the upcoming videos. So for now, Goodbye, thank you, and have a nice day. Happy learning. See you soon.
Something interesting is happening there. Let's read what it says. You can gain valuable experience and knowledge. You can develop a valuable network, sense of pride and accomplishment, chance to pursue your passion, and you can monetize your skills. No time for studies, longer hours, sacrifice time. Experience. Writing an entire essay for LinkedIn articles.
Caption for motivational.